I'm Alan Hills from NTT Europe, Business Development Manager for the legal sector. So I'm here at the Strategic Technology Forum today because I'm trying to develop stronger relationships with the legal sector at C-level, and this is the event to do so. I've spoken to a number of other law firms and asked them where I really should be looking to position my marketing spend, and hands down the answer was this event. I've been to previous events from other organisations and they've all been product-led, very salesy. This event's really about trying to develop networking relationships with key decision makers in the legal sector. That's what I came for and that's what I'm getting. The thing with the legal sector market, as I'm sure you're aware, is we need to have credibility in the sector. Unique to the legal sector is the fact that they all know each other, they all talk to each other at these kind of forums, and that is a differentiator. And it's quite a high barrier to entry as an organisation trying to get into the legal sector to provide services, however good your solutions are. And we saw that attending this event would be a good way of overcoming that barrier to entry, and so far it's proved to be. NTT Communications are a global ICT partner. We provide a range of services from networking, managed services, cloud services, and outsourcing and security across a range of organisations, but we've got a strong focus in the legal sector globally. So in terms of interesting solutions that NTT specifically have got, we have our new cloud management platform, which allows firms to understand and manage and allocate costs across Azure, AWS and other forms of cloud. We've also got some interesting technology coming downstream in terms of our security services. Also we have our IWAN, our hybrid IWAN, which is basically, think of it as a virtualising the WAN, which is key for firms as they're opening up new geographies and they have challenges around M&A activity. I think the biggest value that NTT has to offer specifically to firms and their partners, but also very importantly their clients, which are the real drivers within a legal firm, their customers. It's allowing always-on access to resources, massive levels of availability and highly scalable and secure network operations globally. So when a firm opens, let's say they open in Singapore, in Shanghai, their customers in fact want a single environment, a single secure model to operate in. We offer that. We're able to work with our partners as well to offer that even further and extend it. In terms of security and threats to the legal sector specifically, all we need to do is look at the Panama Papers leak, and we realise that hackers these days, they're going in a very targeted manner. And what they're doing is they're targeting specifically the weakest link in the chain. So where our services can really help with that, it's in terms of securing that solution, but also in providing services that allow the firm to focus on what they're good at. So, for example, we can take away a lot of the pain from a typical firm in terms of their day-to-day IT management, allowing them to focus on securing, but also providing governance around their key applications. What we can do is free up some of the IT resource, the internal resource, to focus on the tools that really matter to a firm, the things that really deliver billable hours in business. In terms of real value that we can deliver to law firms, I would suggest there's two key areas. One is our cloud management platform, the second is our enterprise cloud product. Our cloud management platform allows our clients to be able to manage their multiple cloud and hybrid cloud environments, so they can manage an AWS or an Azure instance, or maybe our cloud, from a single pane of glass. That allows them to do cost allocation, regional allocation of these services and manage it all from one single portal. It's very compelling, and we've been spending a lot of time developing it with a lot of consultation with our clients to get it to the solution that it is now. Our enterprise cloud service is pretty unique in the marketplace. So it delivers exactly what law firms are asking for, and we've certainly seen that at the event today from a lot of the conversation. What law firms are looking for isn't necessarily a public cloud provider. What they want is actual knowledge that they can say that this data will only reside in a certain jurisdiction. For example, data in Singapore can never leave Singapore. Data in Germany must always remain in Germany. Our enterprise cloud platform, because we own, manage and build it ourselves, delivers that.